SMT surface mount technology is the core process of modern electronic assembly, and the key to making electronic products slim, high-speed and mass-produced, by soldering components directly onto the PCB surface. It features smaller size, higher integration, better high-frequency performance and fully automated efficient production compared with traditional through-hole technology. The standardized process includes precise solder paste printing, high-speed component placement, flow soldering, and full-range ALI and X-ray inspection to ensure quality. Despite high automation, defects like tombstoning, solder bridging and voids may occur, which can only be avoided by professional manufacturers. With over 10 years of SMT experience, Kaboer supports all types of PCBs: rigid, flexible, rigid flex, HDI. We provide pre-production DFM review, rapid prototyping and full process self-inspection, with authoritative certifications for automotive and medical industries. Our one-stop PCB and SMT service is reliable and efficient for your electronic assembly.